difference between elasmobranchi and teleostomy. Difference between elasmobranchi and teleostomy. Which difference these are to be occur? Which difference it is to be found in these two classes? Class elasmobranchi and class teleostomy. Already we have seen both these classes. Class elasmobranchi and class teleostomy. How these differences it is to be asked for sometimes in last few exam. This question these are in elasmobranchi and teleostomy. Yes. First, what is the difference? Elasmobranchi, teleostomy.
Primitive elasmobranchi. Primitive, most primitive.
Which class? First year?
Elasmobranchi contribute.
Elasmobranchi is
Teleostomy prostate size.
Elasmobranchi is commonly called as chondrichthyes. Yes? Elasmobranchi is commonly called as chondrichthyes. Elasmobranchi is commonly called as chondrichthyes. Teleostomy. Teleostomy is commonly called as osteichthyes. Teleostomy is commonly called as osteichthyes. Name of these classes. नावामध्ये किती कॅरेक्टर आहेत तुम्हाला? 4 कॅरेक्टर सापडतात प्रत्येकाच्या नावामध्ये. बरोबर आहे. पहिला elasmobranchi, chondrichthyes. Teleostomy, osteichthyes. Second character, elasmobranchi fishes are also called as cartilaginous fishes. It is also called as cartilaginous fishes because endoskeleton is made up of in the form of
Ribs.
cartilage ribs. Endoskeleton is made up of in the form of cartilage ribs. Hence it is called as cartilaginous fishes. इकडे काय आहे teleostomy मध्ये these fishes these are called as cartilaginous bony. Why it is called as bony fishes? Because endoskeleton is made up of in the form of bones. Hence it is called as bony fishes. याला bony fishes का म्हणतात? Because endoskeleton is made up of in the form of bones, hence called as bony fishes. Endoskeleton is made up of in the form of cartilage ribs, hence called as cartilaginous. Endoskeleton is made up of chondric means cartilage, ichthys means fish. In those fishes, endoskeleton is in the form of cartilage. These are called as chondrichthyes. Osteichthyes, osteic means bones, ichthys means fish. In those fishes, endoskeleton is in the form of bones. Hence, these are called as osteichthyes. Then, third, yes, marine water fishes.
Freshwater fishes.
Here,
Freshwater fishes.
freshwater fishes. Maximum number of fish species, more number of fish species from this class. कुठला क्लास? क्लास इलियास्मोब्रांकाई. More number of fish species, maximum number of fish species inhabit and survive their life in sea water or salt water. Sea water or salt water. Hence, it is called as marine water fishes. ते जास्तीत जास्त जीवन कुठे जगतात? खाऱ्या पाण्यात, समुद्राच्या पाण्यात, जिथे क्षाराचं प्रमाण जास्त आहे. म्हणून त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण? मरीन वॉटर किंवा साल्ट वॉटर. म्हणून त्याला आपण म्हणतो मरीन वॉटर फिशेस. त्याचे ऑपोजिट मोर नंबर ऑफ फिश स्पेसीज, मॅक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ फिश स्पेसीज inhabit and survive their life in freshwater medium. In freshwater medium. Hence, these are called as freshwater fishes. Hence, these are called as freshwater fishes. Four character itself indicate its name. आपण सुरुवातीला क्लास मध्ये पाहिलं. इलियास्मोब्रांकाई is also called as chondrichthyes. Chondrichthyes is also called as cartilaginous fish. Cartilaginous fish is also called as marine water fishes. Similarly, teleostomi is also called as osteichthyes. Osteichthyes is also called as bony fishes. Bony fishes is also called as freshwater fishes. Name itself indicate 4 points, 4 characters. Yes. Then fifth character, exoskeleton of Ileasmobranchi fishes. Exoskeleton of Ileasmobranchi fishes. These are to be made up of in the form of dermal denticles. In the form of dermal denticles like clacoid scales. एक्झोस्केलिटन. आपण आता काय पाहिले? एंडोस्केलिटन मधलं पाहिलं सांगाडा. इंटरनल फ्रेमवर्क. आता काय पाहिलं आपण? एक्झोस्केलिटन, आउटर कवरिंग ऑफ बॉडी. एक्झोस्केलिटन मीन्स आउटर covering of body. This outer covering of body, these are to be made up of in the form of dermal denticles like clacoid scales are present only and only in class Ileasmobranchs. फक्त आणि फक्त clacoid scale म्हटले क्लास Ileasmobranchs. In a teleostomy, exoskeleton is made up of in the form of dermal denticles like that is cycloid scales, stenoid scales, rhomboid scales or bony ridge scale. Cycloid, stenoid and rhombic scales, but abundantly cycloid and stenoid. C capital लक्षात ठेवा. These two scales are present in teleostomy, cycloid and stenoid. In Ileasmobranchi, clacoid scale. म्हणजे तिथे काय येणार होता? In elasmobranchi, cycloid and stenoid scales are absent. In teleostomy, placoid scales are absent. इकडे प्रेझेंट आहे तिकडे काय असणार ॲब्सेंट असणार इकडे प्रेझेंट असेल तिकडे काय असेल ॲब्सेंट असेल यस समजताय देन these are the exoskeleton then these fishes कुठले fishes elasmobranchi these are more primitive ancient class elasmobranchi is more primitive ancient class fishes teleostomy is
Recent.
teleostomy is recent advanced class and commercial class teleostomy is recent advanced and more commercial why because world's maximum fish production come from class teleostomy जगाचं सगळ्यात जास्त फिश प्रोडक्शन भारताचं नाही जगाचं कुठून येतं फक्त आणि फक्त टेलिओस्टोमी ॲज कम्पेअर्ड टू क्लास इलियासमोब्रांची दिस इलियासमोब्रांची इज near about 400 million years ago 400 million years ago evolved and flourished in Devonian period then flourished in Permian period and Triassic period and thereafter these are to be found teleostomy मध्ये काय these are the evolved more dominant in mid-Devonian period and age of the class teleostomy is the mid-Devonian era is the golden age of the class teleostomy advanced commercial yes then in elasmobranchi 5 to 7 pairs of gill slits are present 5 to 7 pairs of gill slits are present in teleostomy 4 to 5 gill slits are present पुन्हा सांगा 6 नंबर
Class plus.
नाही क्लास पर आहे ठीक आहे पण ती पुढे आहे स्टेप बाय स्टेप इथलं सांगायचं आपण गिल्स पाहत आहोत हाऊ वी कॅन आयडेंटिफाय रिकॉग्नाइज
Opening the. Open.
in elasmobranchi 5 to 7 gill slits are present in which first pair change into spiracles and spiracles are present in elasmobranchi spiracles are present in elasmobranchi in teleostomy मध्ये काय spiracles are absent in teleostomy spiracles are absent in teleostomy spiracles are absent in teleostomy next character in elasmobranchi gills are naked and operculum is gills are naked and operculum is absent. Operculum is absent. Why? Because spiracles are present. Operculum is absent. In teleostomy मध्ये काय? Gills are covered by fleshy gill cover, that is operculum is present. नहीं का पेन? Operculum is present. Operculum is present. Gill cover is present. Gill cover म्हणजेच काय? Operculum. Operculum is present in teleostomy. Operculum is absent in elasmobranchi. Next character. Next character of the class elasmobranchi. Jaw suspension is amphistylic. Jaw suspension is amphistylic. In teleostomy मध्ये काय? Jaw suspension is hyostylic. Jaw suspension is hyostylic. पुढचं कॅरेक्टर in elasmobranchi. In elasmobranchi, ear bladder is सांगा absent. In elasmobranchi, ear bladder is absent. Teleostomy मध्ये in teleostomy ear bladder is present. Ear bladder is present. Then in elasmobranchi, next character veins are enlarged. Veins are enlarged and forms sinuses. Veins are enlarged and forms sinuses. In teleostomy, veins are not enlarged. Veins are not enlarged. It is uniform and no sinuses. मागच्या पिरियड सायनसेस म्हणजे काय? Venous system. Such structure these are to be formed. Such sinuses these are to be not found in teleostomy. Veins are enlarged and sinuses are formed in elasmobranchi. In teleostomy, such veins these are to be normal, uniform, and no sinuses these are to be found. These are to be occur in veins. In elasmobranchi, brain is large. In elasmobranchi, brain is large as compared to body size. Brain is large as compared to body size. In teleostomy, brain is small but when developed in teleostomy. In teleostomy. Next, what's the character? In elasmobranchi, male copulatory organ, clasper. We can recognize, we can diagnose, identify whether the fish is male or fish is female. Sexual dimorphic character. Sexual dimorphic character, that is, claspers are present behind the pelvic fin. Behind the pelvic fin, a pair of clasper is present in elasmobranchi fish. Claspers are absent in teleostomy. Claspers are absent in teleostomy. Fertilization in elasmobranchi is internal and advanced. Fertilization in elasmobranchi. Fertilization in elasmobranchi is internal and advanced. Internal and advanced. In teleostomy, fertilization is external as well as fertilization is external as well as some species. Some fishes internal fertilization is also found. Internal fertilization is also found. In elasmobranchi, viviparity and oviparity is found. In teleostomy, both oviparity as well as viviparity Done? Next, in digestive system, spiral wall is present in elasmobranchi. In digestive system, spiral wall is present in intestine. Teleostomy मध्ये काय spiral valve is absent. Elasmobranchi fishes. These fishes are elasmobranchi fishes are predatory carnivorous. Elasmobranchi fishes are predatory carnivorous. more in number. टिलिओस्टोमी मध्ये काय आहे?
Herbivores.
Herbivorous. These are herbivorous and few are carnivorous. Few are carnivorous. Next, in elasmobranchi, for osmoregulation, to maintain salt water balance, these are excrete large amount of urea in the form of, that is urine in the form of urea. Hence these are ureotelic. Elasmobranchi fishes, these are retain. Elasmobranchi fishes retain high concentration of urea, high concentration of urea, urea, urea in the form of
Urine.
urine. Hence these are
Urodil.
ureotelic. Ureotelic. टिलिओस्टोमी म्हणजे काय?
Ammonia.
टिलिओस्टोमी retain high amount of ammonia, retain high amount of ammonia in urine, high amount of ammonia in urine. Hence these are called as
Ammonotelic.
amnotelic. AMNO, amno, TELIC, amnotelic fishes. Amnotelic fishes. Full stop. Then the example of elasmobranchi is
Dogfish. Yeah, shark.
shark, skates and rays. The example of elasmobranchi is shark, skates and rays. RAYS. टिलिओस्टोमी मध्ये काय? Example of this class is major carp. Example of this class is major carp, comma exotic carp, EXO, exotic EXO, exotic carp, comma catfish, CAT, catfish.
Rabbit fish.
नाही, रॅबिट कशामध्ये तो होलोसिफेली, ETC. आता कॅटफिशेस मध्ये नंबर ऑफ फिशेस मिस्टर सिंगाला, वेलॅगोआ, टू, रिटा. मेजर कार्प मध्ये कटला, लेबियो, मृगल. एक्झोटिक कार्प मध्ये दॅट इज द सिक्रिनस कार्पियो, ग्रास कार्प, सिल्वर कार्प. नंबर ऑफ सच फिशेस. दीज आर द एक्झाम्पल. इकडे फिगर काढायची शार्कची, इकडे फिगर काढायची कटला किंवा लेबियो. दिस इज द डिफरन्स बिटवीन elasmobranchi and टिलिओस्टोमी. Ask for